Okay, we have a Matsuura 4-axis vertical machining center, model ES800V, serial number 16469. Machine was new in 2005, actually December of 2005, so almost 2006. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a 45.27 by 21.65 table. It also has a Como 4th axis rotary table. You have 31.49 X travel, 21.65 of Y, 19.68 of Z. Machine's axes are all very quiet. And you have a 20,000 RPM spindle. Machine takes a BT40 taper tool. You can see the rotary there going. We're going to do a tool change. Machine has a 30 ATC or automatic tool change. Finding the pocket. And another. All right. We're going to run the spindle. The control is a Matsuura G-Tech 840DIS control. That's 5,000 RPM. 6,000. 7. 8,000 RPM. 9,000 RPM. 10,000 RPM. Again, the machine does go up to 20,000. Okay, machine was, machine also has a chip conveyor. Machine was built in Japan and is here in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching our video.